Sales girl don't turn her own boss, so then catch one sales girl where they work for one pharmacy for Warri, Delta State, as she dey pack drugs put for waste bag. Una no waste bag na, all this dustbin waterproof. Now where she pack all these drugs. My people, make una watch the video. All these things where she dey pack no be to empty the man shop. See the amount of drugs this lady pack put for bag. E remaining for her to carry the man and the shop comot. This one not be wickedness. And na her colleague catch her as she been dey put these drugs for those waste bag. Now the colleague catch her, go report give their boss. As they report give their boss, the boss go call police. Now police come arrest this lady where they thief drug from the man pharmacy. As they arrest him, now when the woman start to confess, say she done dey thief the drugs, and all these drugs when she thief am, she dey carry and go her own pharmacy for Ugeli. Say na the place where she dey go sell these drugs. My people, una know wetin these people discover when they reach. Then find out say this her pharmacy, she get sales girl for this pharmacy. Hey, sales girl get her own sales girl. Mad oh, this one really touch me. She herself be boss on her own. Which kind greediness be this one? You dey work for person pharmacy, then they pay you monthly. That money no do you to go buy medicine, open for your own pharmacy where you want open. You no do you where you use that money buy your own, open up your own pharmacy. Instead, you decide to wreck person. You decide to bring another person down to uplift yourself. That one na pure greediness and na real wickedness with this one. And I thank God say that day, they say 99 days for the thief, 1 day for the owner. Now they don't catch her. Now we don't discover the truth. Oh, this kind of thing, then go say, Nigeria, Buhari be the problem, Buhari be the problem. We ourselves be our own problem. Because the change where we dey find now from our own self. And all these business people, all these business owners, may them try to dey put eye for their business. May them not leave their business in the hands of sales girl. Now, what I like some shops, then they say, Madam, sit down there, they look, they monitor. As they collect money, you go they put them for the drawer, they collect the exact change as it be. Madam, eye, they like touch. No be say they no get anything to do for house. Then get. But then go still dey there, they monitor. They see as they take change. They even get person wey go they check the exact change. Make sure say you give the right thing. If them buy food, then put it. Now so it's supposed to be. Say you get business, you relax for us as chairman. You don't know wetin dey happen. Then go use you open. See where person help or go open a branch for another place. So the best thing as they don't catch him, make the man just change the name of the pharmacy. Put in own pharmacy name. No say na in second branch be that. Use that place. Gather back all the things where this woman collect. This woman get mind though. To wreck person. See the amount of drugs. This one are the one where we don't see. Imagine the ones where she don't already sell. Everything from the man shop. This one, as I hear am, I can't no say this girl, she no get conscience. She no get conscience. Now they don't arrest her. Now my joy. Now they don't arrest her. See if they give that girl space, she fit even thief the man, thief the building. Now me they tell you, all these people greediness. After they go say, where una they see this money? I'm CEO at 20, CEO at 23, CEO at 24. Meanwhile, na thief you thief go become the CEO. After you go video your shop, you see this is my pharmacy. I have finished from now. So then they do. Now know all those Instagram girls now. CEO at. They go put their business handle. CEO at. Now so. Now this one I should say maybe for social media she don't already put CEO. Now the CEO they don't bring down CEO. This one a real greedy CEO. Only you be sales girl, they collect salary. Only you still get where you get as office. Still put sales girl there. They work, they collect. waiting. No, as I see this one, I say, man, bring and come on side, oh. Especially all these my business owners. Make una open eye for una business. If you know they, make sure you get maybe your brother, your sister, we go, they monitor that shop for you. Monitor the salesperson. See, even people will get restaurants. Then go open restaurant. Before you go, they don't call their brother. Hey, brother John, where you dey? Come, are they shop? Yes, are they sell food? Carry flask, come, I go put food. Before you know, my person wey get business no go even know wetin dey happen. Dem don call family members, dem go dey come one by one, dey collect food, dey go house because of say dem never chop since morning. Na there dem go use your own business feed family every day. You no go know. Na why I tell una say make una dey una business place dey watch, make una open eye o, because I no know wetin again to tell una. If this kind person go fit open full pharmacy from another person pharmacy, e bad. So my people, if una get anything to talk concerning this matter, make una put am for the comment section. No forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you guys in our next video. Good news. My people, no be every day we dey carry bad news come. This one na good news. Wey if I hear am, e just dey sweet my body. Unilag don dismiss 2 lecturers because they involve themselves for sex for marks. Una understand na? When lecturer go tell students say, if you don't have sex with me or if you don't sleep with me, you will fail the course. If like come back 50 years time and I'm still the lecturer, you will fail. You will keep failing till you succumb. Una know those kind lecturers na? Now, they don't dismiss 2 from University of Lagos, Unilag. And these 2, their name na Boniface Ibenegu, and the other one name na Samuel Oladipo. Yes, so una fit know them. Na be why we dey bring the names come una side. All those ex-students of Unilag, I sure say go dey sweet una when una hear. Especially those people wey be victims for this kind thing. I sure say go dey sweet una. Make as una dey hear, dey sweet una. I carry am come make una know wetin dey happen. Ma tell una how this thing take happen. Bam. One undercover reporter claim like as if she dey act like student wey dey find admission. Na so she carry herself go meet these lecturers. These lecturers, as dem stupid dey, dem no know say camera dey watch them. Na so dem dey tell her sex for marks. My people, na the evidence wey dem use bring down these lecturers. I just thank God. E dey sweet me say this reporter do this kind thing. Na only God go bless this reporter. And this Boniface, him be lecturer for Department of European Language. Hey! All these language lecturers, na the thing wey dem dey do. Na go hear Department of European, Foreign Language, English Language. Na dem dey do this kind thing. Department of European Language and Integrational Studies and Faculty of Arts. Now where this Boniface dey, and the other Samuel, he be lecturer for Department of Economics, Faculty of Social Science. Na dem now they don't dismiss them from the school because of how many minutes pleasure. Career don't close just like that. Like this, now they say they see they review the matter. Say then go check the matter, this one, that one. But me, my own joy be say they don't already sign things. Say yes, these people no dey the university again. And I should say as they don't enter news, if they try go another school, they no go accept them. Now the thing, and the worst part be say, all these kind lecturers, them plenty for universities. I just pray say them go continue like this till them bring all of them down. Even this thing, then take too long to fish these ones out. Then take too long. I just say they do this thing right from day one, but nobody know, nobody fit dictate or no evidence, no way to bring them down. But finally, my joy be say, no matter how long we wait, last they don't bring these people down. No, this man, he no even supposed to be lecturer. In fact, these men, they're not supposed to be lecturer. They're supposed to go register, be porn stars. Because I don't see say their career after they sleep with students. Since now waiting they want, why they no go viral? Do porn videos, make they watch them, see how stupid them they. Like this now, they don't fall the hands of their family. Wetin go tell him wife? Wetin go tell him children? I mean, they know they reason all these things before they go ask students for sex. They know they reason say, what if they catch me? Wetin go happen? They know they reason reach that side. Omo, I don tire o. Now they don use this one set example, others dem go straighten up, dem go all wey get in ten tion, both the ones wey wan collect sex o, both the ones wey wan collect money. As this thing don happen, everywhere go calm down, everywhere go mellow down. Dem go face reason why dem be lecturers mark students papers dem suppose mark, make case close. Because all these people dem dey use privilege take the whole village. Because say una be lecturers, una wan use that one colonize everything. Which kind life be that one? You go see even students wey just enter school, maybe he just finish secondary school, in dey 16 years 17 years, just manage enter year 1. Next thing, lecturer go dey wan sleep with pikin. That one no be pikin, him be teenager. You don already dey throw advances dey give am. You no even wan know the age. Your own be you wan put something for that side. Wetin? Una thing no dey tire una? Una no go fit just face una business, do wetin carry una come the school? Instead, una dey put motive another place. Na why this Nigeria dey as e dey. How can I say Warri no dey do im work, he no dey do this one? You wey dey that small office wey you dey, you dey do your work, or you dey use your work do other things? Wetin dey happen? My people, make una judge this matter o. This thing wey these lecturers dey do, e good? This kind thing suppose to dey happen for Africa or Nigeria? Because I no know wetin to talk. Is very bad say student go read finish. Student wey even suppose get like 85/100 or 86 or even 90, wey read well, you go dey hear say I no go pass you if you no sleep. The person wey get sleepless night come write exam, he dey say if you no sleep, this one, that one. My people, this one e sweet me say they don dismiss this lecturer. So I dey wait for more updates on lecturers wey dem go dey remove from school, because that one na real good news for my side o. I no know for una. And for these new people wey wan enter university or people wey already dey, this one na good news for una o. At least una lecturers go calm down for una. As una dey write, dem go mark una as e suppose be till further notice. So my people, if una get anything to talk, make una drop am for the comment section. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys in our next video.